Turbo Tim here with ZZPerformance, and I bought another Cobalt. As you see, my new old Cobalt, nice sedan, LNF. This is a full Tail of the Dragon prep car. A couple of us guys that didn't have an Ecotec decided we were gonna buy and have Ecotecs for the Tail of the Dragon event. And this was mine. I can't ever just buy the normal vehicle, so I had to find the sedan. My primary goal of the car is to make a really good driver. So I will not be doing any mods to this car that take away the drivability. I'm gonna mash on the car all weekend and have zero problems, hopefully. But that is the whole point of this build. A nice, comfortable car that still rips turns. So I'm gonna make sure the rear axle beam assembly is tight, maybe upgrade the bushings if they're loose. Then it's gonna get our new ZZP progressive lowering springs, and it'll get a set of Coney yellows, because I'm actually gonna stay strut and shock with this car. I'm not gonna put coilovers on this car. I'll put our new aluminum control arms on it. I'll put the solid bushings, strut tower bar, everything that makes this car handle as good as possible. For the brakes, probably just put a fresh set of new Brembos on it with a performance pad and then a matching performance pad in the rear. I'm not gonna go crazy on the brake kits. I like to keep the brake proportioning stock. That should work very well. I love the LNF engine. In my opinion, it's the best 4-cylinder engine ever made. $1 per mod, $1 per performance. There's second to none in my opinion. This 2.0 LNF engine is going to maintain over 30 miles a gallon and easily make over 300 wheel horsepower on the stock engine without opening it up at all. Just bolt-ons and tune. And what other car can do that? It has an LNF intercooler kit on it right now, only because the stock intercooler was broken. They are always broken. So I just put an LNF intercooler kit on it so it could get home safely and run well. But other than that, this is a stock engine. So I will do all the obvious stuff. I'll do a cold air intake, I'll do a downpipe. I'll probably put a fresh intake manifold on it because this one's pretty cruddy. But I'm not planning on doing rods or pistons unless I have to. Maybe they'll get a bigger turbo later, I don't know. We'll see. So again, it's Turbo Tim from ZZPerformance. I hope you like my LNF sedan Cobalt, and I hope to see you at Tail of the Dragon. Go fast, not broke.